Welcome to Bisaya Buddy. I'm Betsy, your guide in learning Cebuano. Here are today's 5 days at months words.
Enero. January. Enero car on. Enero. January. Enero car on.
Pebrero. February. Pebrero karon. Pebrero. February. Pebrero karon. Marso. March. Marso karon. Marso. March. Marso karon. Abril. April. Abril karon. Abril. April. Abril karon. Mayo. May. Mayo karon. Mayo. May. Mayo karon. Want more Bisaya words? Follow Bisaya Buddy for daily words. Turn on notifications and share with someone learning Filipino.